Step number 1 to manifest in 3 days or less is to start working on your self-concept right away. Because who you think you are and who you think you are going to continue to be is what you are going to keep manifesting in your life. So if you have doubts about your manifesting powers or about this whole manifesting thing, that whether it works or not, or if you believe that this manifesting thing works for others but not for you, you are technically never going to get results, or at least not fast results. So the number 1 self-concept to start manifesting fast is I am a master manifester. I get whatever I want in 3 days or less, whatever it is, and only my positive thoughts manifest. Keep saying these affirmations as much as you can throughout the day in your mind. This will change your self-concept about manifesting very fast. Write these affirmations on sticky notes and put them everywhere, on your mirror, on the wall in front of you, on your vision board, everywhere. You may even write these affirmations in your journal, or you may also do water manifestation with these affirmations. If you don't know what water manifestation is, I will link the video right here. You may watch that video and learn about water manifestation. It is a very, very, very powerful way of impressing your subconscious mind effortlessly. The more you will practice these affirmations, the stronger your manifestation power will become. I learned these affirmations from Sammy about 2 years back, and boom, I'm an effortless manifester now. I kid you not, I started getting damn fast results. True power lies in your faith and belief. Whatever you will believe subconsciously, you are bound to experience that consciously in your reality. This is how the whole manifesting game works. Step number 2 to manifest in 3 days or less is to understand that time is an illusion. It is very important to understand that time is irrelevant. It does not exist at all. Now I know this is a very difficult concept to grasp, but what I want you all to understand is, listen carefully. You are experiencing everything in your life through your own lens of perception. And so, who you believe you are in this particular moment of time, that is, in this present moment, is who you actually are. Period. And so, it does not matter what happened to you in the past or what you believed in the past. The moment you imagine a different version of yourself through affirmation, visualization, or scripting, you have already become that version in that very moment. It's only when you think that things are going to take time, nothing is happening, or I'm not yet that person who has my desire, you yourself are keeping yourself stuck. Because we don't get what we want, we always get what we are. So you have to always remember that time is not relevant. The only thing which is relevant is this particular moment. What I am doing with this moment, what I am being, who I am being in this moment, this present moment, is the only thing that matters. Once you realize and understand this, you can move on to the next step. That is step number 3. Step number 3 is to be in the state of your wish fulfilled. Now, what does it mean to be in the state of wish fulfilled? It is the inner felt experience of satisfaction, joy, peace, or gratitude of your desire being already fulfilled. Now, why is it important to be in the state of your wish fulfilled? Because the more you will practice being that version of yourself who has your desire in this present moment, the faster it will come to you. Because, as I said earlier, we don't get what we want. We always get what we are, who we are. Our reality is nothing but just a reflection of who we are being inside of ourselves. So being that version of yourself who has your desire in this present moment in your inner world, you attract the similar reflection in your physical reality by getting your desire physically. And this practice is known as being in the state of your wish fulfilled. This is the most important step, or rather the only step you can take to get your desires in 3 days or less. But the trick is to learn how to practice being in the state of your wish fulfilled. And this is where imagination comes into play, repetition comes into play, affirmations come into play, your mind, thoughts and feelings come into play. Come, let's learn an easy way to be in the state of your wish fulfilled in step number 4. Start affirming that I love the feeling of dash 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 dash. Whatever your wish fulfilled is, whatever your desire is. For example, if you want to manifest a loving relationship, you may affirm, I love the feeling of being in this loving relationship. I love how much my partner cares for me. I love how much he pursues me. I love how much he's obsessed about me. I love the feeling of being in this beautiful, beautiful relationship. I love receiving gifts from him. I love the feeling of receiving princess treatment from him. Or if you want to manifest wealth and prosperity in your life, you may affirm, I love being so rich. I love the feeling of having a full bank account. I love the feeling of having a lavish and consistent income. Anything, whatever your desire is, you can affirm it like this. Saying I love before your affirmations immediately raises your feeling states and thus your vibration. What you are essentially doing is, you are thinking like the person who is already in a relationship, or like a person who already has a lot of money. Because when we are in a beautiful relationship, we always have loving thoughts about our person. We always have loving thoughts about the way we are treated, right? We don't think in a negative way, like, why isn't he texting me? Maybe he's seeing somebody else. He did not receive my call. Maybe he is with somebody else. Or my bank account is always empty. Money never comes to me. Replace all these negative thoughts with I love and fill in the blanks with whatever your desire is. Do it throughout the day. Whenever you think about your desire, it will immediately transport you internally into your wish fulfilled in this present moment. Keep practicing it as much as you can. Step number 5 is to keep practicing step number 4, but to let go of the obsession of getting your desire. Because we have learned that the moment you imagine yourself in the wish fulfilled energetically, your wish is yours. The more you will let go and detach, the faster you will get your desire in the physical reality. Too much attachment creates resistance and thus delays the process. So the faster you are in your wish fulfilled for longer periods of time, the faster your wish is going to come to you in this physical reality. So this is the trick to get your manifestations very, very quickly. If you want to know how to speed up your manifestation even more, you may watch this video. I know you like this video. Do me a favor by hitting the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time I post a new video. Love and light to you all. Till the time we meet again. Bye-bye.